quad-barreled shotgun from Terraria, brought to life in 3D. When creating 3D models of guns, starting out with a reference image is pretty standard. But Terraria, of course, is pixel art. Our only real reference are those tiny sprites. I import the sprite into plasticity and set its material to be transparent and front-facing. That way, as I start drawing shapes and building geometry, I'm not blocking the reference underneath. From here, I start outlining shapes using curves and lines, starting with the handle. Once the profile is dialed in, I extrude it into a solid and center it on an axis. The grip needed aggressive bevels to feel like something you could actually hold. I sliced off the front edge of the grip to isolate the problem area, applied the bevel cleanly, and then rebuilt that front section by copying its edge lines into a new face, extruding it, and merging it back into the grip. Next up, the receiver. It took a bit of time to get the proportions right, but eventually I landed on a shape I liked. And, just like the grip, I beveled its edges now, since the rounded feel is part of the identity, not just a finishing detail. And now, the barrels. All 4 of them. Then came the support frames. At this point, the weapon's core silhouette was done, so I started adding the smaller, but still critical, components. Once that was done, I called the model finished and pulled it into Blender for materials, lighting, and that beautiful rendering.